Friend, welcome to EasyArts47. Today I am going to draw the female anime character and I will draw from the basic set. As you can see, I have taken the forehead pieces to make the outline first, and I am drawing with all the basics shape, circle for the head and for the neck with and circle for the joints, and you see this, as you can see the print line. But when I will complete it and make it darker, you will see all the shapes within it. So I request you to please watch the full video and suggest that how you like it. And this has been taken from the channel called My the anime character in so much detail that I inspired from, and through his study of anatomy I made this character, and you can make any of the character and poses through basic and the simple shape. The something you have to remember is just come with practice. So as you can see the print line, but when I will change the pencil to the darker gray, you see how it all connected, and